Lentils with mushrooms. Rinse the lentils well and place in a bowl. Pour lentils with 2.5 to 3 cups of water, put on fire and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce heat, season with salt, and simmer for about 20 minutes, until the lentils are soft but retain their shape. Peel and finely chop the onion. Peel and chop the garlic. Wash the carrots, peel and grate on a coarse grater. Wash mushrooms and cut into slices. In a frying pan heated with vegetable oil, fry the onion and garlic until soft, 1 to 2 minutes. Advice: if desired, garlic can be added at the very end of frying, the dish will turn out sharper. Add carrots and cook, stirring occasionally, 3 minutes. Add mushrooms and cook, stirring occasionally, 8 minutes, until tender. Drain and add the boiled lentils to the mushrooms in the pan. Put chopped greens, salt, pepper to taste, and mix the lentils with mushrooms.